Hello my YouTube family, I hope all is well. Today we are make a first page decorate. Now let's start. Here are things we need to decorate the page. Now open the diary and first page for like this. Now we will decorate the first page of the notebook. To watch this more video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. We'll take for sticky note. Now place it on the center side of the page and cut it one by one. All page cut into equal size. Apply glue all pieces and paste on page one by one. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Will take for sticky note yellow color. Now place it on the center side of the page and cut it all. Paste it all one by one. Now we will take a black marker and draw slant line in corner side. Fill yellow colors in all edges. Now we will take a black marker, draw a borders around the pasted pages with the marker. Now we will decorate the first page of the notebook. To watch this more video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Done all borders line, and then now you can write any subject of your choose on the pasted page like math, English and Urdu. Again draw borders like this and mention black dot in all border side. Now to decorate the page further, we will decorate it in this way. Mention dot in top side and draw loop like this. And done all you like this page. Hello my YouTube family, I hope all is well. Today we are make a first page decorate. Now let's start. Today we are make very easy first page decorate. Here are things we need to decorate the page. You take a black marker and draw line. Open notebook and draw zigzag like this. You can fill any color you want like this and cut all edges. Very carefully cut all edges like this and paste blue color in page back side and cut again all edges very carefully and draw flowers of different shape using different marker colors. Now you can write any subject of your choose on the pasted page like math, English and Urdu. Mention dot in top side and draw. Now to decorate the page further, we will decorate it in this way and draw flowers of different shape using different marker colors. And you write name, class, subject, so on. Very beautiful first notebook page is ready. You must like this video and you subscribe my channel.